Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at one of my favorite camera accessories. That would be the Giotto's Rocket. It is an air cleaner that you would use to clean out the sensor of a camera or any hard to reach spots where you might need to blow out some dirt. These are really inexpensive. You can pick them up on Amazon or other camera websites. I'll put a link in the description to where you can pick one up yourself, but here I'll show you how to use it and why that's beneficial. So if you do have a removable lens camera, or really any camera that you need to blow dirt or grime out of, you would just pop the lens off in this case. And as you can see the sensor there, you would take this, you would blow across the sensor to blow any dirt off. Now it's usually recommended to do this upside down to make sure that any dirt that you do blow off comes out of the camera. And then once you finish blowing the dirt off, you would take your camera lens again and you would replace it onto the camera and you'd be good to go. So again, very simple tool but very effective tool. Minimizes your need to use an aerosol can or any kind of canister device. It just sucks air in the rear here, blows air in a controlled fashion out the tip, and allows you to kind of direct airflow and just by squeezing. This is the large model. The other ones, they do make a small and medium. They're a bit small for my tastes, and it's, like I said, it's fairly inexpensive to begin with, so I would generally recommend the large one unless you have space concerns for travel or whatever the case may be. But again, highly recommend this. I'll put a link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it. And as always, like and subscribe for more content, and I hope everyone out there has a great day.